In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add baggage in eDreams. We'll walk through the booking flow from start to finish so you can add the right baggage at the right time and avoid surprises at the airport. eDreams often shows baggage options during the booking, but what you see can vary by airline and fare, so I'll point out what to look for. Start by searching for your flight. Enter your departure and destination, travel dates, and the number of travelers, then run the search. Use the filters to narrow down times, airlines, and number of stops. As you browse, pay attention to fare names like basic, light, or economy. These often exclude checked baggage. If a fare mentions cabin bag only or no checked bag, that's your cue that you'll need to add baggage later in the flow. Once you find an itinerary that matches your schedule and budget, select the flight. On the flight details page, review what's included and what's not. Some fares include a small personal item only, while others may allow a carry-on. If checked baggage isn't listed, don't worry, you'll typically be offered baggage options shortly. Next, enter the passenger details exactly as they appear on the travel documents. Accuracy matters here because airlines can charge for corrections. Take a moment to confirm spelling and dates before moving on. Now, look for the section labeled Extras or Add Baggage. This is where you'll see baggage options for your fare. Some airlines allow adding baggage before payment, and when they do, you'll typically see choices like 15 kilos, 20 kg, or 23 kilos per bag, sometimes with prices per passenger and per flight segment. Read the descriptions carefully, especially if your trip has connections. Baggage fees can apply to each leg. Also check any notes about size limits, overweight fees, and whether the carry-on is included separately. Select the baggage option that fits your needs. If you're traveling light, one checked bag might be enough. If you're carrying heavier items, choose the higher allowance now to avoid overweight fees later. Make sure the quantity is correct for each traveler. Continue to payment. Before you pay, review the price breakdown to confirm the baggage fee is included in the total. Double-check your flight times, passenger details, and currency. If you see any optional add-ons you don't want, deselect them so you only pay for what you need. Finally, confirm the booking. After payment, you'll receive a confirmation with your itinerary. Verify that your baggage selection appears on the booking summary. That's it. You've successfully added baggage in eDreams.